Oh, it's raining. Yeah. Things come the rainy season, right, Taiwan? Yeah, because we're finally in spring. Yeah. So this is the season that's going to rain too much. Bro, exactly. I don't think we're going outside today, right? Yeah, because probably it's gonna get wet all the floor. Yeah. So you see, the floor is probably too wet. Also here in the park. Including buildings. So we gotta stay here, boring. Yeah, what a mess.